Welcome to the Learning Summit podcast, where we explore the intersection of technology, education, and the future of learning. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a topic that's shaking up the technology and learning industries alike: AI agents replacing traditional e-learning software. Joining us is Sean Gilligan, founder of Webanywhere, a leader in learning and development solutions. Welcome, Sean.
Thanks, Alex. It's great to be here.
Sean, AI is reshaping industries everywhere, and we've heard recent comments from Microsoft's CEO Satya Nadella about AI agents potentially replacing traditional software. How do you see this playing out in the e-learning space?
It's an exciting time, Alex. AI agents are fundamentally changing how we think about software, including e-learning. Traditionally, e-learning has relied on software platforms, whether it's a learning management system or tools like Excel, to analyze data. But AI agents don't operate within those boundaries. They don't care which database they write to or update. They're task-oriented, meaning they can gather data, analyze it, and even present insights without users needing to interact with multiple platforms.
So you're saying that AI agents could replace the need for traditional software interfaces. Can you give us an example of how that might work?
Absolutely. Let's take reporting, which is a big part of e-learning. Right now, if you're an admin or an instructor, you log into an LMS, extract the data, maybe export it to Excel, and then create graphs or summaries. With an AI agent, you just ask it to show me the completion rates for Module 1 or generate a graph of attendance over time. The agent retrieves the data, processes it, and presents it, all without you touching Excel or the LMS interface.
That's a game changer. What about creating learning materials or managing user progress?
The possibilities are vast. AI agents can create personalised learning materials on the fly based on a user's past performance or preferences. For example, instead of a teacher assigning a static course module, an AI agent could dynamically build a module tailored to a student's skill gaps or learning style. Similarly, for progress tracking, the AI agent could send updates to both students and instructors without requiring anyone to log in. It's all about removing friction and enhancing efficiency.
If AI agents can do all this, where does that leave traditional SaaS platforms like LMSs? Are they becoming obsolete?
Not obsolete, but their role is shifting. SaaS platforms still provide the infrastructure, the databases, the storage, the compliance layers. But the user interface, the way people interact with these platforms, becomes less critical. Instead of spending time designing and navigating dashboards, the focus shifts to ensuring that the AI agents are well-trained and secure. It's a decline in the need for graphical interfaces, not the back-end systems themselves.
Do you see any challenges with this shift to AI agents in e-learning?
There are a few. Trust is a big one. AI agents need to be reliable and explainable. Users need to understand how decisions are made, especially in education, where fairness and transparency are critical. Another challenge is integration. AI agents need to work seamlessly across different platforms and databases, which requires robust APIs and standards. Finally, there's the human element. Educators and learners need to adapt to this new way of working, and that takes time and training.
How do you see this evolving over the next 5 to 10 years?
I think we'll see AI agents become the primary interface for many tasks, not just in e-learning, but across industries. The rise of voice and conversational AI will make interactions even more natural. Imagine asking your learning agent for advice as if it were a colleague. Over time, the distinction between platforms will blur as AI agents operate across multiple systems to deliver seamless experiences. The focus will shift from which software do I use to what outcome do I want.
That's fascinating, Sean. Before we wrap up, how can our listeners learn more about Webanywhere and its role in this AI-driven future?
Thanks, Alex. At Webanywhere, we're already integrating AI into our solutions to make learning more efficient, personalised, and impactful. If you'd like to learn more, visit webanywhere.com. We're excited to help organisations embrace this new era of AI in e-learning.
Thank you, Sean. That's all for today's episode of the Learning Summit podcast. If you're as excited about the future of AI and learning as we are, make sure to subscribe and share this episode. Until next time, keep learning and innovating.